हरि करना।
So now it's time to see combinations. So combination in mathematics, a combination is a way of selecting objects from a set without a regard to the order in which they are selected. A combination is different from a permutation in that order does not matter in a combination. Let's take an example for better understanding. So combinations, if you have three letters A, B and C, the combinations of two letters would be, so combinations would be AB, AC and BC. This is different from the permutations of two letters, which would be AB, AB, AC, BC, CA and CB. So that's what, if we have, let me write down the permutations also here so that you can have a clear cut. Permutations would be AB, AC, BA, BC, not that BC, CA and CB. Okay, this is what the permutation, and here the order matters. Order matters. That's the reason you have the first order ABAC, and then after that BABC, and after that CACB. All three order were given. So here there is no order. You don't need to worry about the order. Just you need to see what all combinations are available for you. So in that case, you will have only three combinations. That's either AB or AC or BC. That's it. No order. You don't need to again do after AB, AC, BC. You don't need to do the AB, AC after AB, AC, again BA, BC, then CACB. There is no order for this order. You don't need to worry about the order. So this is different from the permutations of two letters, which would be in AB, AC, BA, BC, CACB. So there are two types of combinations. Combinations with repetition and combinations without a repetition. These are the two types of combinations. So combinations with repetition. So in this case, we have n objects, and we want to choose r objects from the set allowing the repetition of the objects. So the formula to calculate the number of combinations with a repetition is n plus r minus 1 factorial divided by, as usual, r factorial multiplied by n minus 1 factorial. This is with repetition. Okay, where n is the number of objects and r is the number of objects to be chosen. N is the number of objects, r is the number of objects to be chosen. Okay, then we have combinations without replacement. In this case, again, we have n objects and we want to choose r objects from the set without a repetition of the object. Without without a repetition of the objects. In this case, without a repetition of the objects, the formula to calculate the number of combinations without a repetition is n factorial divided by r factorial multiplied by n minus r factorial. Okay, so this is without a repetition, where again n is the number of objects and r is the number of objects to be chosen. Okay, so let's take a simple example. For example, consider choosing the three different letters from the alphabet where repeats are not allowed. So the possible combinations would be ABC, ABD, APA, and so on, XYZ, till that it goes on. Okay, so how do we calculate? How do we represent this? NCR, permutation NPR for combination NCR. NCR, again, n is number of objects and r number of objects to be chosen, and it's equals to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial multiplied by the r factorial. So example, you are required to choose 5 books from a list of 8. In how many different ways can you do so? If the order doesn't matter, then obviously it's 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial, and it's 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 factorial, 5 factorial will get cancelled, and 3 to 8 times 7 times 2, it's 56 combinations. That's it, just 56 combinations, just 56 combinations.